questions from previous content. First one, which is called primary rocks? Yes, answer is igneous rocks. Scientific study of rock is called? Yes, petrology. Dear student, today discuss about soil and its formation. Soil and its formation. What is soil? Soil is a mixture of organic matter, mineral, gases, liquids and organisms that together support life. Soil minerals form the basis of soil. It forms a surface of the earth. It is known as skin of the earth. Skin of the earth. Soils are proceed through the process of weathering and natural rocks erosion. Water, wind, temperature changes, gravity, chemical interaction, living organism and pressure difference all have broke down parent material. It leads to the formation of loose material. In course of time, they further break down into the final particles. This process releases the minerals locked in the rock fragments. Okay. World Soil Day is observed on 5th December every year. Let's see soil composition. The basic components of soil are mineral, organic matter, water and air. It consists of about 45% mineral, 5% organic matter, 25% of water and 25% of air. It is only a generalized factor. The composition of soil varies from place to place and time to time. Okay. See, look at the picture. Let's see classification of soils. Do you know? Soils classified into 6 major types. They are alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil. Let's see details about classification of soils. Alluvial soil. The soils are found in the regions of river valley, flood plains and coastal regions. These are formed by the deposition of silt by the running water. Okay. It is most productive of soil. It's suitable for cultivation, sugarcane, fruit. Black soil. The soil are formed by weathering of igneous rocks. Black soil is clay in nature. It is ideal for growing cotton. Let's see. Red soil. The soils are formed by weathering of metamorphic rocks and another. The presence of iron oxide makes this soil. It is not a fertile soil. It is suitable for millet cultivation. Next, laterite soil. These are the typical soils of tropical regions. These soils are found in the region. Let's see mountain soil. The soils are found over the slopes of mountain. Soil in this region are thin and acidic. Desert soil. These are sandy soil found in the hot desert regions. The soils are porous and saline. Since it is a infertile agriculture in the soils are not so successful. So what are the crops grown? That suitable crops only grown in desert soils. Okay, let's see layers of soil.
Soil is formed in different layers. A vertical section through different layers of the soil is called as the soil profile.
Many soils show 6 layers referred to as horizons. O horizon, A horizon, E horizon, B horizon, C horizon and R horizon. O horizon,
It is the topmost layer comprising of fine particles. This layer is rich in humus. It is very soft, porous, and can retain more water. It inhabits many microorganisms, worms, moles, beetles, rodents, etc. Plants penetrate into this layer through their roots.
Ahorizon. This layer is called topsoil. This is a dark colored layer. In this layer, plant roots grow and seeds germinate. This layer is made up of humus mixed with minerals. Ehorizon. This layer is called elevation layer. This layer is below the A horizon and above the B horizon. This layer is light in color. In the process of elevation, this layer lost its minerals and soil particles into the deeper layers.
B horizon. It is subsoil rich in minerals.
This layer is below the E horizon and above the C horizon.
It comprises of fine particles and is compact.
C horizon. This layer is also called as regolith layer. It is present below the B horizon and above the R horizon. It is made up of broken rocks. Very little organic matter is present in this layer and plant roots do not penetrate into this layer. R horizon.
This is also called as bedrock. This is very hard and last layer of the soil. This rock acts as the parent rock for the future soil to be formed.
Beginning to end, recall your own way. Homework. Book back, choose, fill up, match it. Answer the following. Read once again. Thank you.